Hi guys, this is ATV riding for your entertainment, and there was some really big storms. I'll show you the sky. It don't seem that bad, but it is bad. And we might have got just a little bit of rain. There was some tornadoes in Elk City, and we took shelter, but it went over us just about as soon as we taken shelter. And here's some of the rain. Yeah, it's pretty bad, and then here's over here. Yeah, so if any of y'all are watching this from Elk City or something, I would thankful that you're safe. If you're watching this, you must be safe, so yeah. And stay safe and stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, I always get that wrong. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. And if you haven't already, turn on the bell notifications, and you'll get updated on every time I make a video. And stay tuned.